Hi! Welcome to Alphabet Adventure! Today, we're going on a magical journey through the ABCs. We'll meet apples that sparkle you'll, gazebos chill, and even dancing zebra seal. Are you ready to sing, learn, and explore every letter from A to Z? Let's clap our hands, stomp our feet, and jump into the alphabet B! A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball, we bounce on the bed. C is for cat who loves to play. Come on, kids, let's learn today. We're on an alphabet cruncher, hooray! Learning letters in a fun new way. From A to say, me dance and sing. Let's see what every letter will bring. D is for dog who runs so fast. E is for elephant, big at last. F is for fish that swims in blue. G is for giraffe, tall as you. We're on an alphabet printer, come on. Singing letters all day long. Clap your hands and say with me. Next comes H, I, J, and K. Whee! H is for hat on your head so high. I is for ice cream, oh my, my. J is for jump up to the sky. K is for kite that loves to fly. We're on an alphabet adventure, yay! Letters help us talk and play. From L to Z, let's go explore. Let's learn and laugh a little more. L is for lion, roaring loud. M is for moon behind a cloud. N is for nest where birdies sleep. O is for octopus in the deep. P is for panda, cute and round. Q is for queen with a sparkly crown. R is for rainbow, shining bright. S is for sun with golden light. T is for train, chugging along. U is for umbrella, sing this song. V is for violin, sweet and clear. W for whale, we all cheer. X is for fun, fun, ding, ding, ding. Y is for yarn, twist and spin. Z is for zebra, stripy and neat. Now our alphabet's complete. We're on an alphabet adventure, hooray!